Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite tricks for increasing productivity every single time I start a new project. So what I have done is I have created a crochet or a project bullet journal. Now you can use whatever kind of journal you want if you want to start one yourself. And what I do is I fill the pages with the things I find myself looking up the most frequently when starting a new project. So I keep this in my project bag at all times, and it's just really helpful for a quick reference. As most of you guys know, one of my favorite things to make are blankets, and so today I just wanted to share real quick my blanket sizes table with you guys. So what I would encourage you guys to do is to grab a paper and something to write with if this is something that you want to have a really quick reference for, or you might want to go ahead and bookmark this video so that you can reference it really quickly. And what I have done is I have written all of the most common blanket sizes down, including even the standard mattress sizes. Now I've not just used the mattress size, I've also included the drape needed for each mattress size. So for example, I'm not going to give you the measurements of a twin mattress. What I am going to do is give you the measurements of a blanket for a twin mattress, okay? The only thing I need to mention though is that this is in the US sizes. Each country has a slight difference in their mattress sizes, I've noticed. So if you are in a country outside of the US, I would just encourage you to write down the mattress sizes that are appropriate for your country, so that you can have that as a quick reference as well. And I would greatly encourage you guys to make a project journal to have quickly at your disposal. I've just found that it really helps me. But of course, some people don't like to have these hard copies, and so that's why I suggest maybe bookmarking this video for a quick reference as well. And that said, let's go ahead and start, and I'm just going to read you out all these different blanket sizes so that you can either copy them down and transfer it to your journal later, or just so that you can have this very quick reference. All right, so a lovey is going to be square, and a lovey is typically a very small size blanket that is used by children as a stuffy or sometimes even as a blanket for their dolls and things like that. So a lovey is going to be between 10 inches and 12 inches, or 25 and 30 centimeters. So receiving blankets are also square, and they are between 24 inches to 36 inches square, and that is 62 to 92 centimeters. These are really great gifts for new mothers or someone who is expecting a child, you know, at a baby shower or something like that. All right. Now a cradle size is a little bit up from a receiving blanket. It is typically rectangular, and that is 20 inches by 30 inches, or 51 by 76 centimeters. And so this is for example, a travel crib or a small cradle, rather than necessarily a crib size. So I just want to make sure you guys understand that. Now a lapgan is best for people who are wheelchair bound, or people who sit in chairs a lot, okay? And so these are specifically designed to be the right size so that it doesn't get snagged in the wheels of the wheelchair, and also so it can keep someone warm who is chair bound, okay? And the size for lapgans is 36 inches by 48 inches, or 91 by 122 centimeters. An afghan or a throw is 48 inches by 60 inches, or 122 by 152 centimeters. A crib size, now that's going to be the size that's actually got like in a standard crib that you would see in a movie, for example, with the rails and all of that. So a crib size is 36 inches by 54 inches, or 91 by 137 centimeters. So now we have the standard mattress sizes. Again, this is in the US, and I have added extra to calculate the drape for these, okay? So a twin size blanket would be 68 inches by 95 inches, or 173 by 241 centimeters. A full or a double bed would be 84 inches by 90 inches, or 213 by 229 centimeters. A queen size bed is 90 inches by 100 inches, or 229 by 254 centimeters. And a king size bed is 108 inches by 110 inches, or 274 by 279 centimeters. A California king is 110 inches by 112 inches, or 279 by 284 centimeters. So those are all the different blanket sizes and their standards for the US, and you will find from the Lovey down to the Afghan, these are going to be standard wherever you are. I just wanted to say that this bullet journal is a Paperage brand bullet journal. If you want to go ahead and get a bullet journal that's the same size as mine. And I also want to say some of the things that I used for this were felt tip pins, some washi tape that I got on Amazon, and some stickers that I got from the Zippy Zebra, which is an Etsy shop, which I highly recommend. She also has dyed yarns, which are beautiful. The only other thing I want to say is that, of course, with those receiving blankets, I make a lot of receiving blankets and I sell them for a very great price in my own Etsy store. So if you want to check out the items in my Etsy store, I currently sell receiving blankets and mystery boxes, but I have a whole lot of extra stuff to add to that soon. Go ahead and just check that link in the description or in the pinned comment. That said, thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to find that giveaway, because I have a giveaway going right now and you're going to want to enter it because it's a really especially good one right now. So don't forget to do that. Make sure to subscribe and like if you like a lot of yarn content, mystery boxes, crochet tutorials, that kind of stuff. And have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye for now.